Guys, happy Wednesday, yo. It's supposed to snow today, but it haven't snowed, and it's 11 a.m. right now. So I was like, you know what, let me just go make at least 50 before the snow comes. So I have my first order, $19 for 3 mayo. I'm only going to shop for 7 items, yo. Let me make this money before it snows. But it's too cold to be outside. So I don't know what time it's gonna snow, but let me make at least $50, you know? The reason why I'm starting this time because the kids had remote day. So I had to help them with school stuff and all that. So second order, they are loading in right now, and it starts snowing. So after this one, I'm going home. It's $17 and with 2 drop-offs. So it's snowing. Let me show you. Can you see? You can't really tell, but yeah, it's snowing. Yo, for my first drop off, I'm only going 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So let's go deliver this order. Yeah, after this order, I am gonna go home. I am here at 7:27. See this one? Yep. Let me back it in. Full of trunk. It's a lot. It's a lot. Now let's go. Getting a lot. I don't know if you can see it. So my next drop off was only like 1 minute from my from where I dropped. Okay, yeah, with my second drop off, it was super easy. She came to help me and it went super smooth. So guess what, I'm going home, y'all. It's time to go home and to relax. It's getting worse and worse and worse with snow. So let's go home and relax. I know this video is going to be too short, but still, I'm going to post it. I'm going to post it no matter what. So wait, I don't know where I'm going, y'all. I really don't know. And I do not want to put the GPS. I want to challenge myself. I want to challenge myself if I can go to the main road. You know? With this work here, it's all about challenging yourself. to know if you really know the roads. But sometimes it be difficult, y'all. So it's 12:40 right now, so I only worked 2 hours, y'all. Only worked 2 hours, and my first order was $19 and my second one was $17. So how much is that? I made 30-something dollars, so not bad. Yeah, I made it to the main road, yo. I made it to the main road, so that's good. So we made $36. My goal was to make 50, but it's getting bad right now. And this side over here, we're not used to working in snow. Like we don't see snow like that. So that's why I don't want to put myself in. I know it just started, but you never know because we're not used to snow. When it snows, we panic, y'all. When it starts snowing this side, we panic. Like, oh my God, it's snowing, it's snowing. So that's why I'm going home. But I know there is some other parts that you guys use to snow, like this. It can't like make you go home because it just started. But here, we run. And it looks like it's gonna snow more, like a lot, based on how it's snowing. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this short video. Although we did 2 orders, thank you so much for watching. So I am on my way going to a store to get something real quick. So I will see you guys if it snows a lot. I think I will see you guys maybe Friday. Today is Wednesday, maybe Friday. Yep, Friday and Saturday and all that. So thank you guys for watching. Please, we almost there, y'all. Oh my God, we're on 937 subscribers. You guys help your girl reach to 1K. Share my video to your cousins, your sisters, your brothers, your parents. Only if they enjoy watching this kind of content, you know. You have to like this kind of content. So anyway, you guys, I'm talking too much. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. I will see you guys, I don't know. All right, bye bye.